You alright?
Yeah.
Welcome back, guys. I'm Elmo, and this is...
Got no idea who I am anymore.
No, I don't think... I think I've been in the call with you far too long today. At least I can hang up whenever I want. So I'm Elmo, this is All It, and we're doing another tier list, and today Holly has chosen UK cereal because she's about to lose it. So, we'll make a start. Do you eat cereal?
No.
Do you have any breakfast at all?
Apple. Scrambled eggs.
What, together?
Sometimes.
That's one thing, that's something for strange food combinations.
Beautiful.
I don't really... I try to have cereal when I'm in office, but I'm not usually a cereal kind of person. But I think I've had most of these, so let's have a look. So, Alpen,
Which one?
the original.
Nah.
So you got S, A, B, C, D, E, F tiers.
Wow, you've added a few more tiers onto that.
No, I haven't made these.
The lowest one.
Yeah, I'd say it's very dull, boring, flavourless.
It's like eating rabbit food, and if you've never eaten rabbit food, then you won't know. But trust me.
Bran Flakes.
It's like eating cardboard.
I don't think I've had Bran Flakes. But, yeah, I guess they do.
Have you ever had Matrix has glitched again? Have you ever... Oh, shit, son. Have you ever had Weetabix?
Yeah.
It's like compressed Weetabix into little flakes.
Oh, I'm putting it up then. There's no wrong with Weetabix.
They don't taste good. They don't taste bad, do they?
Cheerios.
B. Why is there an S at the top?
For super tier.
Huh.
Cocoa Pops.
A.
Cocoa Shreddies.
What?
Cocoa Shreddies.
Never had them.
S tier. Cookie Crisp.
Cookie Crisp?
Yeah. You not had them? They're like little cookies.
No.
No, that's an S tier as well. I bought them
See,
for
when
Ozzy and I ate them all.
When I was a child, we used to have those squirrel.
Squirrel? You used to eat squirrel for breakfast?
They weren't squirrels. They were like little pockets of goodness with chocolate in the middle.
You mean Crave?
No. They're probably similar to that.
I've never heard of squirrels.
It had a big squirrel. It was Nesquik.
Oh! Is Nesquik a squirrel?
No, it had a squirrel on front.
I'll take your word for it. Cornflakes.
I don't like them. They're offensive.
I'll put them at C then.
That's not offensive.
Your face is. Cornflakes, they are boring, but put a lot of sugar on them and they're alright. Crunchy Nut.
I like to crunch your nut. Lock me away.
That's for our OnlyFans, not for our YouTube. I'll put it as A tier.
Do you like them?
Yeah. Curiously, cinnamon.
Anything cinnamon can go in the bin.
Yeah, I agree. That's F. Frosted
fuck
Shreddies.
off. Pardon?
Frosted Shreddies.
Oh, they're quite tasty.
Yeah, S tier.
I won't go that
Frosties.
far, but sure.
Frosties.
Aren't they the same kind of things? Oh no, they're frosted cornflakes, aren't they?
Yeah.
A.
Yeah, I'd say A. They used to be a lot nicer, but since all the sugar tax and everything, they don't taste as nice. Fruit and fibre. I've not had that.
It can go in F. It's not worth.
Golden Grahams.
Ooh, I used to enjoy them.
I don't think I've had them.
Are you sure?
I might have done. Where you put
They're
them?
They're like squares of malty stuff.
A, B, C.
A.
Golden Nuggets.
Never had them.
B. Honey Cheerios.
Never had them. Do you not think that cereal's really expensive?
It can be. It's one of the reasons why I started liking Crunchy Nut, because I could get a massive box for like £3. Honey Loops.
B.
Yeah, I like honey stuff. Crunchy Nut Clusters. I'm going to put that in A as well.
I don't like the word clusters.
Your clusters. Country Crisp.
Nope, because it's like rabbit food. It's just like Alpen.
Okay. I don't think I've had it, so I'll take your word for it. Crave.
What?
Crave.
Well, they're like the squirrel things, aren't they?
Apparently so.
Little pockets of chocolate goodness.
Yeah, I'll put that in S tier. Lion.
I don't know, but I'd suppose they would taste nice.
I like them. I'll put them in A. Squirrel. Nesquik.
What, the Nesquik balls?
Yeah.
S.
Rice Krispie Shapes.
Rice Krispie shapes?
Yeah, I don't know what shapes they are.
Never had them.
Multigrain shapes. I've not had them.
Never heard of them.
I'll put them in A. Rice Krispies.
They're alright, I suppose.
B.
Yeah.
Snap, crackle and pop. Shredded wheat, that's F.
It really is.
Original Shreddies.
Aren't Shreddies and shredded wheat the same kind of thing?
No. I'll put original Shreddies under B. They're nice, but I prefer the chocolate and the frosted ones. Special K.
Old people food.
I mean, we're not far off. Might as well start enjoying them now. Put them in E. Sultana Bran.
Oh, I used to love that.
Never had it.
No.
C.
I used to pick all the sultanas out. C.
C.
Yes.
Crispy Minis. Weetabix Crispy Minis.
Never had them.
C. They're just mini Weetabix. And you can get ones with like chocolate chips in and that. Weetabix, I'm gonna go put B. Weetos.
Oh, I used to eat them all the time. Can you tell why I'm a fat kid now?
S-A.
S.
Yes.
Oh, she's a fucker.
And that's it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Well, that'd be an easy one to do.
So we've got none under D. So, that's it again, guys. Again, let us know if there's any tier list what you want us to do. I'll leave the link for this one down below as well, so that you can do it yourself. Right, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you like it, share it across all your socials, click that bell for notifications when we upload new videos. We're gonna get a few out over the next couple of weeks. Right, take care guys, have a good one.